The PNI House H804 NVR can be controlled from mobile devices through the XMI application compatible with Android and iOS, and from the PC through the general CMS software. You can find the CMS installation file on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our website from the product page download section. With the PNI House H804, you can record and play images from up to 8 IP video cameras with a maximum resolution of 1080p, or 4 Analog AHD video cameras with a maximum resolution of 960h, or hybrid to Analog AHD 720p plus 2 IP 720p. You can view in real time the images taken by the video cameras on a PC through the dedicated CMS software directly in Internet Explorer via IP address, or with the help of the dedicated application compatible with iOS or Android. You can connect several types of monitors, the device being equipped with HDMI and VGA output. Video recording stored on the HDD installed in the DVR or NVR can be downloaded locally to a USB stick via the USB 2.0 interface, or remotely via the internet directly to a PC. PNI House 804 can be connected to the internet via the RG45 lane port. You can record video images with sound by connecting IP cameras with an integrated microphone or an external microphone, accessory not included in the package. PNI House H804 offers you the possibility to choose the type of recording you want: manual, motion detection, or programmed.